In this video, I'm going to show you how to block Twitter handles on Axiom. Now, the first thing you need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins, and it's packed with a lot of different premium features for free. So again, link down below. Now, to actually block Twitter handles on Axiom, you can go to polls over here, and then you can see a bunch of different coins popping up. And then if you'd like to basically blacklist a Twitter account or block a Twitter handle, it's basically the same thing. You just have to hover over an image, which actually does have a Twitter account connected. And here you can see over that image, that specific token, so this is just a random token, you can see a button over here which says blacklist Twitter profile. And whenever you click on that, you'll essentially go into block or blacklist that Twitter handler or Twitter profile. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.